Hi there. This video will give you valuable insights into the essential steps involved in buying a business. I will also review SMEdeals.com, a business acquisition portal that is emerging as a powerhouse to hasten the process of business acquisition. There are many advantages to buying an existing business, including the fact that it is fully equipped and established by the previous owner. If you decide to buy a business, you will have an instant client base, a full staff, and an established reputation. This can cut down the time and money it takes to start your own business. However, before making the decision to buy a business, you should really understand what you are buying and whether or not it will be profitable. The first step in buying a business is finding one that's right for you and your situation. The basics are: 1. Your business or commercial need, 2. The resources available with you, and 3. The potential benefits of such acquisition. If you are looking for a business expansion through the capacity buildup, then you should acquire a unit similar to yours, that is, a competitor. Benefits are that you get a running business in the same line of business, and your capacity is multiplied. Instead of procuring raw materials from a supplier, if you are looking to manufacture or produce the same in your own facility, it is called backward integration. Here, you should acquire a company or a unit that produces the raw materials for your business. This way, you ensure a regular supply of the raw material at an optimum cost, thereby cutting one layer of cost cascade. Similarly, if you are looking for a geographical expansion, you need dealers and distributors, which can be achieved by appointing franchisees across the country. All critical acquisitions need to undergo a certain procedure. Primarily, you need to seek answers to the following questions. 1. Why is the seller selling his business? 2. What are the legal and commercial issues involved in running the unit? 3. Are there litigations, disputes, government actions like penalties, etc. on the unit? 4. What is the quality of infrastructure like machinery, residual life, technical persons, technology, etc.? All these factors will determine the valuation of the prospective business to be acquired. In short, the valuation is based on the due diligence exercise that you conduct of the seller unit. Due diligence is an extensive exercise conducted by experts in the respective field. This exercise comprises 3 parts: legal, commercial and financial due diligence. The process starts from collecting and collating data on all 3 areas of due diligence. The exercise brings to light the information regarding future liabilities, frauds, legal issues, taxation issues and the like. It may be complicated for an entrepreneur or his team to do due diligence by themselves. Therefore, experts need to be engaged, and professional help is sought. You may also need financial assistance to complete the acquisition. SMEdeals.com is a business acquisition portal that can drastically reduce the time and effort taken to identify a prospective business, locate and engage appropriate consultants for due diligence and valuation, and above all, identify a suitable financial institution that may fund your acquisition. SME Deals is your best bet to buy a business quickly. Click on the link below to register and subscribe for SME Deals at the latest offer. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, and share it. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for all my future videos.